Spirit Jolly Phonics. We hereby declare that all the animations, videos in the lessons are not our property and all rights reserved with the concerned party. The sole purpose of this video is non-profit and totally for education. Lesson number 8. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to recognize OU sound through story and action, sing a song with action, read OU words, trace and write the letter. Hello students, are you ready for listening the story? It's a story time. Let's start. I'm going to play this video for you. Listen the story first.
Hi my jolly friends. Now today we're going to be looking at another sound, but don't forget I like to do a bit of writing as well today with some words. So make sure that you've got a piece of paper and a pencil, or you might have a mini whiteboard like me and a whiteboard marker. And if you need some time to go and find one of these, press pause and come back, and I'll see you in a little bit. We're back. Well, I've got Emily here. Emily loves going to her grandma's house. One day every week she would go there. And she would go there with her toy clown. One day, every single week. She loved going there. There were so many things to do. There was a cow in her grandma's paddock, and her grandma also had a pet cat. The cat loved chasing the mouse that lived in grandma's house. Actually, there was another mouse here. There were two mice. But one day, on this particular day, it was a cloudy day. Grandma didn't want Emily to play outside. So she sat her down on the couch to do some sewing. And Emily grabbed that needle. Ouch! She pricked her thumb with the needle. Ouch, she said very loudly. She shouted, ouch, Grandma! I pricked my thumb with a needle.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Do you think you can be like Emily? Let's pretend that we've pricked our thumb with a needle. Are we ready?
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Ouch. I bet that would have hurt. Now, that sound that Emily made when she pricked her thumb with a needle. Ow. Can you say that with me? Ready? Ow. Let's pretend as we say that sound that we're pretending to be like Emily, where we've pricked our thumb. Ready? Go. Ow. Well, these two letters I can see on this page. Two letters, the O and the U, that when they go together, they can say the same sound. Ow. They can say that sound. Let's see if we can have a go at looking at how we write those two letters. We always start, when I'm trying to write the ow sound and I'm using these two letters, we start with the O first, and you know how to write this one. It's like a caterpillar curl, and I keep going till I join up where I started, and then the U. Up and straight down. Let's give it another go. Are we ready? We start with the O letter, around, and join up where we started, and then doing the U letter. Down and up and straight down. Do you think you can have a go? Yeah, 2 fingers, you remember. Let's start with the O letter. Good. Ready? Around, doing that caterpillar curl. And stopping where we started. Then the U letter. Down and up and straight down. One more time. You ready? Let's do the O letter first. Over that caterpillar curl. Around. Joining up where I started. Then the U letter. Down and straight up and down. Let's go back to that picture. Let's have a look. Oh, there's so many things there. I've got, can you see? The clown. I've got clouds. I can see the clouds just above the cow. Oh, look at what's hanging in Grandma's house. There's a picture of an owl. And of course there is Emily's clown hanging over the couch there. And there's a cat that's under the table. Oh, it's playing hide and seek with the mouse. I've got some words here. I wonder if you can help me. I wonder if you can help me read these words. Here we go. Now I know that you know your letter sounds. I know that you are good at blending. Let's see if we can blend these sounds together to read the word that I've got hidden behind here. We ready? First sound. All. Now let's have a look. Oh, I've got the O and the U that can say ow. So I've got all, ow. Oh, what's the word that we've made? Can you read this word with me? Loud. Well done. All loud. Loud. What about this word? We ready? Oh, I've got a word here that's hiding. And if you can help me, you know your letter sounds. I know you do. Okay, we ready? I've got Oh, the O and the U says ow. Ow. What's that soft sound? Tongue in and out. Oh. Mouth. Mouth. Yeah, I've made the word mouth. All right, your turn. This time, let's segment so that we can write the word. So have you got your pencil and paper ready? Or your little whiteboard and whiteboard marker? I'm thinking of the word shout. Let's segment the word shout first. Are we ready? Let's take our fingers. Ready? Go. Shh. Out. Do it again. Ready? Go. Shh. Out. Oh, I've got my shh. Shh. Out. Go for it. Have a go at writing it. Shh. Out. 3 sounds. Have you written the word shout? Let's see if you've got what I've got. Now, what was that first sound? Shh. Let's see. Oh, yes. I've got the S and the H. That says shh. Shh. What was the next sound? Shh. Ow. It's the sound we were learning today. It's the O-U that can say ow. Shh. Ow. Shh. Out. There it is. Have a look. Is that what you've got? Shh. Out. Shout. Well done. Good job. All right. Your job now. I want you to have a look around your house, around your room, somewhere where you can hear, if you say that word, you can hear an ow sound. Have a go at trying to write that word, just like what we did here. Segment that word into the sounds and have a go at writing it. Bye, my jolly friends.
Okay, students, you have listened the story of ow sound. Right. Now let's ready for sing the song with action.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Okay, students. Now open your textbook page number 6 to 7. Here is also a story. Already you have listened the story and know very well about the vocabulary of ouch sound. Ow. Right? Here is a also here is alley. Yes. And it's the girl name is alley, and her mother wants to teach her how to switch a cloth. How to stitch a cloth. Okay. Now, are you ready for reading the words? Yes. G, r, ow. D, ground. Round. Cloud. Loud. Okay, students, recall the vocabulary again and again from this page. Here is a and at next page, page number 7, read the OU words. Yes, here are some more words. Here are some more vocabulary of OU sound. Yes, read with me. Cloud, shout, out, pouch. Okay, trace the letter and practice the sound with action. The homework tasks will be workbook page number 15 and 16. Yes, yes, students, you will do the practice of writing OU and pronouncing the sound of ow. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.